أنا مالك يمكن أصلا كونتن بارواتين لين قاسمة تكون كلام جديد من بانا لين كوي كورنجة tuɔɔk mayom كم وين نوري ترى كان SSPDF لا ديني جان كيل كان نيت كونتن لا هالكين كي ديني كين لا ديني جان ري وچن وينمي جن بانا لين شانه تنوان شاكنا كان قاسمة بانا كلين كجن لهرمه akan kono niamre ler kana me mi jiram jedit kanor online tv channel go reje en wo gender subscribe kade notification bell der je twine ko de ler shamala shubkeji mi ci subscribe mi de jen wo bi jen support dan der nyoda ka jen channel me ko be ko le jaga ben ler titi ben kanong je ban raje me ban je kwen shuje pero jen obi char be ja gor pin ka kor kami ci ler ci jeling akan kono re raje ban len gwase me ke jan gwarun wanga dan chimen shaling re wike great apnal state chingane Nuer la jejen bor chikan dor jan chikana kap chikan gala shal chikana kap chikan wulit ke chikana kap kamech tungwante chikan ka kap chikan de ne kirma yadit SSPDF chikan ga jojre wich jan dan inshallah na mo chikoro mo shawen ono ko do dan inshallah keja antamare wichin wina mi ngoda wa ko mu joy ka ngwane nori ka do bran chawra jme chala ke bana jikten kala rodian na gon je no biya ngaj manana tuɔɔk men rodian ya ngaj non wala re wi ke juba si wude chal la kwari Uganda na me shawore wajin wina mi ka juba museveni shawo ka kwi mal ko mandana gor ke no latke jen chajelo ko jas fele mai won jen e balaram kel kaniten content lat kamal janana gore no de yelingana me nyok ler bana nyok liang ka kor bana orai ka kwi yes fela mai woten content ci de fak tin ci kwi kirma yadit kala radian be ngaje no ne tin kon ci de fak mi sheling ba jano ya ka lor ne to ci ke yes fela mai wonu won kan ke jikuma duno teke pinya lola ka wale ka ji ayo so jendi en tele mi yer kana ka asfele mayo ko dobrana shalat keje so bana writing yo ka jen ler mon go kon ben ka je ler mem bu kon ko gwa gu lat kon me kuren ci tuɔɔk re wecha ka ngwani mayom kene de ne SSPDF ka abiemnhom kanti jen wekel ka wi jani tiega kene mayom kanti ana abiemnhom kanti tiega kene long so kan lakan kam jen wala kana jel yana ling nuna no lakan jen bu ko Nuer bu kan go pejen winami be Nuer bu gala jen bu kan ok jan bu kan go pej na mote tin no on tere mo ka so me ci tuɔɔk ci ga ben ci kan ok kana banang ne ko la ngwan Nueri mi ci ga ben ci kan ok jan kan go banang ala o kine ya kon kwala jang so ko lu den jogo gwado mo sha ko nyur ke de ni SSPDF kel ka ale kel chaga jogen de SSPDF to chajo yen chwa ko nyuruka akan nango ko langwane obo kanok bukana okan ba chwa kor chwa la tum wa chu kana lok wa jen gwad mo chu kanok ro chu kan ga chu ar chigan ka ar kan ne konti langwane Nueri pan ka je ano wa chu kanok chu kan ngang wa pan garun wang long chu ngani tila titer chu wa yu kan ben ka pet ka chu kan ben gwad dana te jang te tere we ka abiemnhom wa chu kan abiemnhom chu kan chu mak ka chu kan chu kap wana ga kabdin ga je shi go yana kabna wa chu kan cholo jogba chu lo gwad dan to ken teketen shawra jami'a chaja ko na kane de kontila tila jang ne de content te wujen wini mi kane de content na te ka jana abiemnhom mo kan dial shi ke jen so re ler kan me sha ne ri chup ko jandang ri bangwan sha kan nakten kane de kontila de ni kirma yadit ka abiemnhom jibon to ngwan beteketen ba bane de konen cha kwen na ken kane di jandang red bangwan chi liu re wejen winami re ko re chi tuɔɔk pan jena na chala de no ne de jandang red bangwan ke jen dio ke woniam duno pe ga chalat ke jandang red bangwan de chi liu ke jibon to ngwan re wech ka abiemnhom kane de kon to ka abiemnhom te chi nyen pan ke ngani tin chwal ga ter chon ka Nueri wa kan chi ko poti ga no ka mi shala twitch we do dien chala twitch ko wotin chawra jumo chaja kwen ka kwi kor dana chi tuɔɔk ano ala abiemnhom county commissioner wuri shalka Mario deng ayot jen chawra bar bokel kana ka jen chenge dana ci korche tuɔɔk je chala no men tuɔɔk gwada me kwi ho ko ro ko do biran chala ke je jeni kanok ke juma yom chik benlo chik chaga nongwa dan tie ka abienhom ano ani ka koren nyame chitu wa ken chwa ko kan no mo mishu to no shu ken ngwan ke chu ne ngwan chu ga liung kwa do re kor mo kane cho bakale te ka bot ano anyok wa ga chang rodien jen ku lo beno chu ken chu bedang no wich wa chi ga dul dang wel chi kan ka wang re wich ka chu lo jok ka jen chang ga dok e pan chi kanu ka kem dien dan tik tin men to ken tik tin chi kan la ro re kur mo chi ni ngwan chi ga liu no wani re kone ya kwen tiang tin chanang ka abienhom hospital kane jen dang re bangwan ka do brani kan lat ke je so jen dan chi to kono me la okten kone anang kokti kudang diok mayom county commissioner dodien jen china chakabel che SSPDF che chakabel kata dan chicken kormo chicken jago bedetin anyom je kalat gwado me kane je SSPDF gwado dan e cha juire kur wa kane chike ngani ki ga Nuer chop ko jendang ru di tela ga tiene jendang ru di chicken ga kep ka te gwadang wal badak redien no alwane to wala kan chak ya kok anwine mi ka abienhom to la gwa Nuer wa ka lunien jo gwa kur je kur ke lo chika jen wa chicken roi gana kep ko lada kan lat ke je ke kane chicken kalun anyway ba je queen ka to ngi ko do bran cha kun ge jang. At least 29 people were killed from both sides in clash between army group in South Sudan, Abiemnhom County, local officials have said. The attack carried out by army youths from Mayom County in neighboring Unity State on Wednesday morning left 27 dead and 17 injured in Abiemnhom County, according to Abiemnhom County Commissioner Mario Deng Ayot, who fled the town when fighting erupted. Ayut on Thursday, that clash began on Tuesday. He said that the clash happened on Tuesday when Mayom youths attacked cattle grazing area in Abiemnhom, killing 4 people and wounding 6. The same group returned the following day and seized the county headquarters. The army youths from Mayom County withdrew from Abiemnhom without fighting after they captured the town and burned 10 hours on Wednesday. They went back to their cattle camp, but many people were killed and several others were injured. Bodies were collected overnight and the injured were taken to Abiemnhom Hospital, Ayut added. He said he had spoken with Mayom County Commissioner James Lily Kwal, insisting there was no prior dispute between the communities. For his part, Mayom County Commissioner James Lily Kwal said at least 2 people from Mayom County were killed and several others wounded in Wednesday fighting. However, Commissioner Kwal accused the South Sudan People Defense Forces, SSPDF 3rd Infantry Division in Biemkat, led by Brigadier General Garang Lwal, of provoking the conflict. He said SSPDF troops and the Abiemnhom youths ambushed Mayom cattle either stealing more than 300 cattle. Cattle keepers from Mayom County were following their cattle when they were ambushed by Brigadier General Garang Lwal. And the Abiemnhom County youth, they raided more than 300 cattle, which led to the deaths of 4 people from Abiemnhom, including 2 soldiers from General Lwal force on Tuesday, Kwal said. He also alleged that SSPDF forces and Abiemnhom authorities detained male Kesaler from Mayom, including 25 children, 18 of them girls. After returning to Abiemnhom County headquarters, they detained approximately 25 children, including 18 girls, who had gone there to sell milk, Kwal said. He stated that the Mayom youth attack on Wednesday was an attempt to recover stolen cattle and free detainees. Some cattle and children have since been released, he added. Kwal said he deployed Brigadier 11 of the 4th Infantry Division to calm tension and the situation has now stabilized. Agenda shaling and one better. Bye bye.